In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the color of your command prompt in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator, and this block window will appear. So you'll have this space right here at the top. Right click on that and then select Properties. Now the command prompt properties will appear, which has the options font, layout, colors, and terminal tab. Click on colors. And here you have your screen background. So you have to choose any of the colors from here which are available. So you can go with this one. This one, it's up to you for your style and your preference and your taste of color. Now let me go with this one or this one, okay? And you have here screen text. Click on that, and then you can simply choose the text from here for the color of the text. And in order to save it, you just have to click on OK. And as you can see, the command prompt has changed its color for the background and for its text. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.